Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python and C#, the yield keyword is used to create iterable sequences and control the flow of program execution. However, there are significant differences in how yield is used and behaves in these two programming languages. This tutorial will explain these differences and provide code examples to illustrate each concept. In Python, the yield keyword is primarily used to create generators, which are a type of iterable. Generators allow you to produce values on the fly, making them memory efficient for iterating through large sequences of data. Here's a simple example of a Python generator function. Output. In this Python example, simple_generator is a generator function that yields values one at a time. When you iterate over the generator using a for loop, each yield statement temporarily suspends the function's execution and returns the yielded value. In C#, the yield keyword is used to define an iterator. An iterator is a method, property, or operator that provides a sequence of values, typically using the yield return statement. Here's a simple C# iterator example. Output. In C#, the yield return statement allows you to yield values from an iterator method. When you use a for each loop or other iteration techniques with the iterator method, it produces values one by one, similarly to Python's generator. Now, let's highlight the key differences between Python's yield and C#'s yield. Syntax. In Python, you use yield directly within a generator function. In C#, you use yield return within an iterator method or property. Type. In Python, yield creates a generator object. In C#, yield defines an iterator method or property. Iteration control. In Python, generators are lazy, meaning they produce values on the fly as you iterate over them. In C#, iterators are also lazy and only produce values as you enumerate them. Iteration mechanism. Python uses for loops and other iteration constructs to work with generators. C# uses for each loops and other linq methods like toList, toArray, etc., to iterate through iterators. Exception handling. Exception handling in Python's generators can be somewhat simpler, while C# iterators offer more advanced exception handling capabilities. Coroutine capabilities. Python's yield can also be used to build coroutines for cooperative multitasking, which is not a feature available in C# iterators. In summary, while both Python and C# use yield to create iterable sequences, they differ in syntax, the type of objects they create, and the mechanism for controlling iteration. Understanding these differences is crucial when working with yield in either language. ChatGPT